Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BudgetBakers step by step clearly. Open the BudgetBakers app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Add Income button. Enter your income sources and amounts for the month. Save your income entries. Next, click on the Add Expense button. Input your different expense categories, such as groceries, rent, and utilities. Enter the expected amounts for each category. Save your expense entries. Go back to the dashboard to see an overview of your budget. Review your income and expenses to ensure they add up correctly. Adjust your budget if necessary by editing any of the entries. Use the Reports feature to visualize your spending habits. Analyze your spending to identify areas for improvement. Set financial goals by accessing the Goals section. Create specific targets, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Monitor your progress towards these goals regularly. Explore the Trends section to track your financial behavior over time. Keep updating your budget as you receive new income and incur expenses. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget plan. Use BudgetBakers alerts to remind you of due payments and budget limits. Adjust your categories and amounts every month as needed. Celebrate small wins in your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.